From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Friday. I'm student meteorologist Kaitlyn here with your Friday evening CNET forecast. A look at our Commonwealth camera shows us that we're generally clear and sunny across much of the Commonwealth, and that is the story for University Park as well. We are at about 70 degrees right now, and this is about where we're expected to top off for the afternoon today. It feels like 70. We are really starting to get that fall-like feel this week, and that is expected to continue into the weekend and beginning of next week. But for right now, we'll just take a look at our current conditions and temperatures in central Pennsylvania, low 70s to high 60s. And as we take a wider look at the Commonwealth, we'll notice it's a little bit cooler in the northwest, a little bit warmer in the southeast. That is a general spread for what we see this time of year and this time of day in Pennsylvania. A look at the rest of the nation also shows us that high pressure system has moved a little bit southward, so it is heating up as there's more sunshine in the south today. And this is happening because Hurricane Lee is actually making its northwesterly track towards the North American continental coastline, and that is pushing that high pressure system further south as we head into the weekend. I'll have more details on Hurricane Lee in just a bit, and we can actually see its impacts as we take a look at our future weather. For right now, clear skies and northerly flow for all of the Commonwealth. However, we will start to see Hurricane Lee's clouds start to stream into the eastern portions of the Commonwealth heading into the morning tomorrow and the afternoon. It does start to make its way out of our area as we head into the overnight hours as it tracks further northward in the Atlantic Basin, but we do see some more clouds start to intrude into the western portions of the Commonwealth ahead of a low pressure system that's expected to bring potentially showers to much of the Commonwealth heading into this weekend. Here's a look at that low pressure system. Hurricane Lee has tracked northward, and this low pressure system is beginning to move into our area. It's going to bring some showers primarily to the southern and eastern portions of the state or Commonwealth. But we are expected to stay generally dry here in central Pennsylvania, maybe a couple of pop-up showers as we head into the beginning of next week. But high pressure does settle in once again, leaving us more sunny conditions, and you'll see that in the 7-day forecast in just a little bit. One last look for the week at Hurricane Lee shows us, as of the 2 p.m. update, it is still a Category 1 hurricane, but it is expected to weaken as it tracks northward and makes landfall somewhere in the Nova Scotian area. Along that coastline, that friction from its landfall will cause it to rapidly decrease in intensity, and it will likely remain an extratropical low as it tracks northward to Newfoundland throughout the rest of the weekend. But heading back home for the rest of the forecast, to look at our night overnight, we are only going to hit about 45 degrees in terms of a low, clear skies, maybe a couple of passing clouds, and that's going to continue into the day tomorrow. We'll hit about 71 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Passing clouds might come here or there, but it will generally be a very pleasant start to our weekend. And for our 7-day forecast, it was pretty sunny. I had to figure out how many times I could say that without saying the same thing every single day. We're going to cool off a little bit heading into the end of this weekend and early next week as we see that low pressure system move through, pop-up showers throughout much of the Commonwealth. However, we are expected to clear up and warm up as well heading into the end of next week, and we'll have an updated forecast for you on Monday evening. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service and for CNET, I'm Kaitlyn. Have a great night.